Talking about this, an SD card. Hi, I'm Harley J. Okay, so an SD card is actually in memory, and it's memory for mostly a camera. A lot of cameras use these, and they actually just store they just store the photos and videos that you take. So since I am a mobile videographer, and I might be getting a camera soon. But that's only because there's some circuits. There's sometimes you cannot have a phone, or a phone just wouldn't work for it. So you always want to have an extra camera. You want a good camera, but most cameras, like DSLRs, that kind of stuff, a lot of them use a lot of cameras use an SD card. Actually, I already have an SD card. I have one of these SD cards in here already, and if I take it out, I wouldn't be able to access any of my files, but then I just put it in, and now I have everything. And now I can shoot. Let me just change that exposure. Now you can see me. Yeah. Okay, so, and that's I wouldn't really be able to take any photo or video if I didn't have the SD card in. So, yeah. Because SD card is the memory. So, yeah. I hope you learned a lot from this video. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. So, yeah. Peace out.